Hello again, fellow virtual consultants. In this episode in our series on growing your business with barter, we're going to help you start to learn how to barter and trade to help you grow your business with barter.
If you have not already seen episode 1 in our series on growing your business with barter, we would highly recommend that you view episode 1 as that provides an overview on barter and includes topics such as what barter is, what is a barter exchange, how barter works, which products and services you can barter, and how barter helps you conserve cash for your virtual consulting business, and how barter may be used for your business. So again, if you have not already seen episode 1 in our series on growing your business with barter that provides an overview of barter, we would highly recommend that you do so. You can find the link to episode 1 in the description box below.
The following tips on how to barter are from this article on barter or bartering from Investopedia.com. Investopedia is a website that helps you, and you can see it was founded in 1999 with a mission of simplifying financial decisions and information to give readers the confidence to manage every aspect of their financial life. So you can see this, well-renowned website on finance, all aspects of finance, also covers barter or bartering. So we'll look at what their tips are on how to barter, how to grow your business with bartering. So again, from this article in Investopedia on barter or bartering, for which we will leave a link in the description box below, here's their tips on how an individual can successfully barter. Step one is identifying your resources. What items do you have that you could easily part with to trade or barter? Use a critical eye. Again, this is talking about an individual, what you might have that you can trade, that you could barter. For virtual consulting, is more applicable to look at the services. What services can you offer? Honestly assess what you could provide for others that they would otherwise pay cash, pay a professional to do. It could be a skill, a talent, a hobby such as photography, or again, any of your virtual consulting services are great opportunities to trade or barter. Step two is to put a price tag on it. Successfully bartering must result in the satisfaction of both parties. This can only happen if the items bartered are realistically valued. If you have an item or that you're willing to trade, get an accurate appraisal. An item is only worth what someone's willing to pay for it. Therefore, do your research, see what things are selling on the internet, on eBay, etc. Again, if you're selling an item. To value a service, call around for local estimates from other professionals to find out how competitively you price your abilities. Again, remember to be honest, etc. Factor in the cost associated with the exchange, shipping, materials, trading for a skill. So again, my recommendation, again, are in my humble opinion, you should value your services at the going retail rate. You should not inflate your prices versus what you're offering on cash. Again, you want the other party to be satisfied that what they're getting on trade or barter is equivalent to the quality of service and the value of the service that they would normally get paying another professional on a cash basis. So they will factor in the discount that they're getting and the additional value they're getting by using barter, and therefore choose to barter for your services rather than to pay someone else out their scarce cash. Step three is to identify your needs. What are you looking for in a barter exchange that you want to satisfy your things you're spending cash on that you would like to barter for? So in this article, they list a number of examples. A lot of these are more individual examples of what you may be able to trade or barter for. So you can see, car repair, computer repair, etc., tax preparation, financial planning, lodging, etc. From a business standpoint, essentially anything that you're currently spending cash for your business, potentially you may be able to trade or barter for. Again, you want to be specific, but the longer your list of potential products and services that you're currently spending cash for your business that you might be able to barter for and therefore save cash, the longer that list is and the more flexible you can be, the higher the likelihood you're going to be able to save your cash by being able to trade or barter for it. So again, list those things that you're currently spending cash for your virtual consulting business and the potential opportunities for trade or barter. Step 4 from this article is to search for bartering partners. Once you know what you have to offer and exactly what you need and are looking for in a barter situation, you want to find people that you can trade or barter with. If you don't have specific people or businesses already in mind, you can try word of mouth, start telling people that you are willing to trade or barter, particularly if they're hesitant in spending their cash for your services. There's your opportunity to say, well, I will also accept a trade exchange or a barter exchange. You can let your friends, colleagues, social network know about your specific needs, what you're looking for in a barter situation, again, via any social media site. You can see they're also identifying and recommending online swap markets, online auctions. They mentioned Craigslist, etc., Swap Space, BarterQuest, etc. There are probably many others. I read another article recently that during the pandemic, a number of Facebook groups, etc., additional um, trade sites popped up, and it became much more popular due to both the economic situation as well as supply chain issues. So again, you can search on the internet, let people know what you're looking for, let them know that you're willing to trade, to identify people that you can trade with. Um, Also, as we've mentioned before, there are professional trade exchanges, and we'll mention more about specific trade exchanges later. But again, that is a professional network that you can join that acts as a marketplace. They have brokers that market your products and services and help you find those items that you're looking for that you want and need for your business through their network. So again, they have a much broader network, saves you all of this searching for individual partners on your own. So again, trade exchange is another alternative to doing all of the searching and trying to find a match for your barter transactions on your own. Step 5 is make the deal. After you've found a barter partner, they recommend, getting the agreement in writing. Make sure you detail exactly what products or services will be involved. What are you willing to offer? What are you offering on a trade or barter transaction? Exactly what quantity of products or services are you offering in exchange for what other products or services from the other party? When will the trade be done? How will the trade be done? And again, any recourse if one party or the other doesn't deliver on their part of the deal. If you're working through a membership-based bartering association, they will provide all the structure and paperwork you need for the deal. So again, another advantage of working through a professional trade or barter exchange is they will not only help you find the partner, but also all the details of the transaction, any recourse, refunds, etc., that need to be done if any party doesn't live up to their part of the deal. So again, another advantage of a trade or barter exchange. Again, if you're doing this on your own, it's recommended that you get an agreement in detail what quantity and at what price of products or services that you're offering in exchange for other products or services from the other party and how that transaction will be accounted for. Additionally, in this short video, I wanted to highlight some examples for you on how individuals, companies, and countries trade or barter. And all of these are in this Investopedia article on barter or bartering, for which we will include the link in the description box below. But again, here's some examples of how individuals barter. When two people have items that the other wants, they can determine the value, provide an amount that results in an optimal trade or barter allocation of resources. For example, they're using a grain, rice. Someone has 20 pounds valued at $10. They can exchange it with someone else who wants rice, who has something else that the person wants that's essentially valued at $10. Or in this example, if you're offering 20 pounds at $10 a pound, that's $200 worth of value. So anything that you're trading with or bartering for that is of approximately equal to $200 would be a good trade, right? And you can trade for something the individual doesn't need um, because there's a market that they can then trade that item off and get their value back. So again, it can be a multi-step trade to recoup the value of what you're exchanging. So here's some examples of how companies barter, or how businesses use barter. As companies may want to barter their products for other products because they don't have the credit or cash to buy those goods, or again, they want to preserve their scarce cash, maintain their cash flow. It's an efficient way to trade because the risk of foreign exchange are eliminated. Again, if there's a cost to exchanging currencies, again, you can value these in any currency because you're trading goods or services. There's no loss due to foreign exchange, currency conversion. Some of the most common contemporary examples of business-to-business barter is the exchange of advertising time or space, typical for small firms to trade the rights to advertise on each other's business spaces. Also occurs between companies and individuals. For example, accounting firms can provide accounting services for an electrician in exchange for having their office rewired. So again, you can trade any services that you're currently spending cash for another business that would benefit and would need those services, and then they also save their cash, and so it benefits both parties. They save their cash, they get more business, etc. Um, and another example that I'll throw in, and perhaps we'll talk in more detail in further episodes in this Growing Your Business with Barter series, is that if you have excess capacity in particular, be it advertising space, hotel rooms, etc., any excess capacity for which would not be generating any cash flow if it's unused and may have a cash cost or some cost to just maintaining that excess capacity, are great opportunities to gain some benefit from trading or bartering that excess capacity for other things that you're currently spending cash for in your business. So again, great way to benefit from trade or barter to grow your business. Another example, just to give you an idea of the prevalence and the scale of barter, is countries also engage in bartering. Sometimes if they're in debt and unable to get financing, goods are exported in exchange for other goods that the other country needs. So again, this is done on a scale of countries. At large scale barter like this, sometimes you'll hear the term thrown out called counter trade. Again, barter occurs on all scales from individuals, businesses, companies, large and small, all the way up to countries. And again, the benefit to the countries is they get to trade products or services that they may have in excess for other products and services that they want. And there is not any kind of cash exchange, foreign exchange, and any liability with exchanging currencies or any debt incurred. So again, just to give you an idea of the scale and prevalence of barter, occurs on all scales from individuals, businesses, companies of all sizes up to countries. And you may even get involved in some kind of trading or bartering on a scale of very large international companies and or other countries. You can also see at the conclusion of this Investopedia article on barter or bartering that they highlight that some businesses may not directly barter with customers might swap goods or services through membership-based trading exchanges such as ITEX or International Monetary Systems, IMS. So they're mentioning by joining a trading network, a professional trade exchange, a barter exchange, which often charge some fees. Members can trade with the other members for some kind of trade currency, a barter dollar, a trade dollar, etc. Each transaction is typically subject to a minimal fee. Again, the trade exchange or barter exchange facilitates the barter, the trade. They also handle the tax reporting, issuing 1099-B forms to their participating members. And then they mention some places that you can find nearby exchanges. They mention the International Reciprocal Trade Association, IRTA, member directory. And then they talk about, checking out the types of products and services that are available through the exchange. That's a recommendation. And then, and to make sure that you're going to be able to trade or barter for the products and services you need to conserve your scarce cash. So again, we talked about several of the benefits of a trade or barter exchange, and you can see their assessment of that as well. So we hope this all helps.
If you are ready to get started with growing your business through bartering, you can find a link to a barter exchange, the ITEX Barter Exchange, in the description box below, and also on this article, for which you will find a link to this article on the virtual consulting firm's blog in the description box below. And you can click on that link and you can get started growing your business with barter right away. We are members of the ITEX Barter Exchange and have been for 10 or 15 years. We've been very pleased with trading through the ITEX exchange and have been able to take vacations, get other products and services we need, sell more of our products and services through bartering with ITEX. So again, we would highly recommend, if you want to get started growing your business through bartering, click on the link in the description box below or in this blog article, or you can find a image, an ad video, graphic on the upper right hand corner of any of our web pages on the virtual consulting firm blog at blog.thebcf.com. So again, if you're interested in getting started growing your business through bartering with ITEX, you find the link in the description box below in this article and underneath the graphic on any of our web pages at blog.thebcf.com. If you have any questions about getting started growing your business through bartering with ITEX, just let us know in the comments, in our Discord, through social media, etc. We hope that all helps.
So we hope that these tips help show you how to barter and trade to help you with growing your business with barter. In subsequent videos in this series on growing your business with barter, we may go into more detail into each of these steps on how to barter and trade to again help you grow your virtual consulting business with trade or barter. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below this video below. Join us in the Discord. Again, you can ask us any questions in our Discord and our Facebook group via contacting us via any of our social media sites, all of which you will be able to find links to in the description box below. You can also contact us via the contact page on the virtual consulting firm homepage. Again, if you have any questions about how to barter and trade, any ways that we can help you get started with growing your business with barter, please don't hesitate to reach out and let us know what your questions are or how we can help. So we hope this all helps. Good luck. Have a great day.
We would also like to cordially invite you to join us in the new Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. You should be able to find an invite in the description box below and or in the link section on our website on the Virtual Consulting Firm homepage, which you can also find a link to in the description box below at thebcf.com. And again, we'd like to invite you to join us and discuss any topics related to virtual consulting, etc., any help that you would need. In the Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. It is free to join. Again, any topics you want to discuss, any help you would like to have to succeed in your virtual consulting business, we can discuss those topics there, and hopefully our fellow virtual consultants will help each other out and mutually benefit from participating in the new Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. So we look forward to seeing you there. Again, you can find an invite in the description box below, in the About page of our YouTube channel, in the links section of our homepage, thevcf.com. And again, we look forward to joining you in the Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. Thank you. Please help us be able to continue to produce frequent quality content to help you learn how to get started and succeed in virtual consulting as a virtual consultant by supporting virtual consulting via our Patreon at patreon.com/virtualconsulting. Again, this is totally voluntary. If you would wish to provide us with your support, we would greatly appreciate it. You can see you can receive additional benefits, and we hope to be able to add additional benefits to each of these membership levels, any of which you may choose. And again, we'll be adding additional benefits to each membership level as we are able. So again, if you're able to help support us in being able to produce frequent quality content and additional benefits for our Patreons, we hope you will choose to select a membership in our Patreon at patreon.com/virtualconsulting. We thank you for your support. Good luck and have a great day. This video and the Virtual Consulting YouTube channel is powered by the Virtual Consulting Firm. Please also visit and follow us on social media via the links that you may find on our About page. In the top right, you can link to our Virtual Consulting homepage. You can follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. You can also find our web hosting company. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll find additional links to some of our other social media sites, our Facebook site, our Instagram site. Also, we hope you will join us in the Virtual Consulting Facebook group, where we can discuss any topics and you can ask any questions related to virtual consulting, and we'd be happy to help you succeed in your virtual consulting business, get started, and succeed in your virtual consulting business. And also our Pinterest, and again, the web hosting company that we use for our homepage. So again, we hope you will also choose to follow us on our social media sites, visit us, let us know what you think of all this. How can we help you? We hope this all helps, and have a great day. Thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope that you liked it. Please smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm share our videos with more of your fellow virtual consultants around the world. Please share this on your social media and with your other virtual consultants around the world. If you're not already subscribed to our Virtual Consulting YouTube channel, we hope that you will choose to subscribe, and please hit the bell icon to be notified as we release new content. Please provide us with your feedback in the comments below. Let us know how we can help you be more successful as a virtual consultant, get started as a virtual consultant, and be successful in your virtual consulting business. Again, thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope this all helps, and have a great day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this, and have a great day.